Looking to enjoy chicken without the extra oil and grease? Tired of fried foods that leave you feeling heavy or sluggish? Good news, you don't have to give up flavor to eat clean. In today's video, we're sharing 10 genius ways to prepare chicken that are both healthy and delicious, no frying required. These tips are perfect for anyone looking to support heart health, manage weight, or simply eat better every day. So grab a cup of tea and stick around, you might just discover your new favorite way to cook chicken. Before we begin, let us know in the comments, how do you usually prepare your chicken? And don't forget to subscribe to ZapFat for more nutrition tips that make healthy living easier. 1. Grilled chicken, one of the simplest and healthiest options. Grilling locks in flavor without adding fat. Just marinate with herbs, a splash of lemon, and toss it on the grill. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, all without the frying pan. 2. Baked chicken. Pop it in the oven and let it do the work. Baking is hands-free, mess-free, and lower in calories. Season with garlic, rosemary, or paprika. A healthy weeknight favorite. 3. Steamed chicken. Gentle, moist, and easy to digest. Steaming preserves nutrients and softens the texture. Add ginger or green onions for a comforting, clean flavor. Great for seniors or those with sensitive digestion. 4. Stir-fried chicken. Low oil. You can still stir-fry, just keep it light. Use a non-stick pan and a small amount of avocado or olive oil. Add colorful vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, or snap peas. A quick and tasty one-pan meal. 5. Chicken soup. Nourishing, hydrating, and deeply satisfying. Simmer with carrots, celery, onions, and bone broth. Perfect for colder days or when you need an immune boost. Helps with joint health, digestion, and muscle recovery. 6. Shredded chicken in salad. Turn a salad into a protein-packed meal. Shred baked or boiled chicken and toss it into mixed greens. Add avocado, seeds, or a simple vinaigrette. Light, refreshing, and energizing. 7. Chicken lettuce wraps. Skip the bread, try crisp lettuce instead. Fill with seasoned ground chicken, veggies, and a light sauce. Crunchy, flavorful, and low carb. Great for blood sugar balance and portion control. 8. Chicken with quinoa. A complete meal in a bowl. Quinoa is rich in fiber and plant protein. Add grilled chicken, steamed greens, and olive oil for a balanced, nutrient-dense dish. Good for energy, digestion, and heart health. 9. Boiled and shredded chicken in wraps. Simple, clean, and convenient. Boil the chicken, shred it, and roll it in a whole grain wrap. Add hummus, cucumber, or spinach. Ideal for a light lunch or snack on the go. 10. Chicken veggie skewers. Colorful, fresh, fun to eat. Thread chicken with cherry tomatoes, zucchini, and peppers. Grill or bake until golden. Perfect for gatherings or meal prep. As you can see, there are so many ways to enjoy chicken without frying it. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for family, these healthy options can support better energy, digestion, and long-term health. Let us know in the comments, which one are you excited to try first? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ZapFat for more easy, nourishing recipes. Until next time, stay well, stay strong, and eat smart.